Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today I'm going to show you how to configure the first CCNA lab, which is status of two routers. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we just got to do this simple topology together. It's only two routers, and we only need to configure the IP addresses. And at the same time, we need to just verify what's going on with the interface between the two links between the two routers, the link between the two routers, and then we'll verify like using a show interface, show IP interface brief, and show interface serial 0 or 0. So that is the interface is serial/60. So let me start with this, and then let me start, and then just configure. So following this IP address, we're going to be configuring, and it's going to be very straightforward topology because it is the first lab. So we're going to be working on CCNA labs, but we can. So if I go configure and then do interface, because I'm referring this interface right there. I'm referring this interface right there now. Router 1 interface serial 0/0. Let me just confirm. This interface right there, and then let me just grow. Let me just reverse. That's what I'm referring this interface right then, okay? And then you make it a bit. I think yeah. First I will do it. The second I will do. So you can see it. This is the interface I'm referring now. Okay. So now let me just go back and do the config. Interface serial 6/0. First no shutdown. That's the command that we need. No shutdown. And then we'll fill the IP address that we have. So what IP address we have? We have IP address 192.168.1.1 because it's a router 1, and then the IP address the subnet mask I will give is 255.255 and .255.0 and OK, and interface loopback 0. Then IP address, because loopback is already will be up if you configure interface loopback, and then the number, in this case I said 0 because it starts with 0 to 255, yes. So if you configure interface loopback, and then in this case loopback 0, I just shortened loopback, I took it only L O. And then interface loopback 0 enter, then it doesn't need no shutdown because it's already up. It's going to be up by default. So IP address 1.1.1.1, and then I will give a /32. It will not go this way, or it's not taken because it doesn't support this is slash. So what we're gonna do is, as usual, 255.255.255.0. Sorry, not 255 because it's all on. These four are all on. Okay, cool. That's the configuration of this IP address. The router 1 would done it. So we're gonna go to router 2. Let me get the arrow here. and then we are going to this interface right now. Okay, so let me go. Okay, to R2 and go in config interface serial 6/0. No shutdown, because the serial has to be no shutdown. The main link has to be no shutdown, but the loopback doesn't need no shutdown. Okay, and then the IP address will be 192.168.1.2 since it is 2, and then subnet mask 255.255.252 because it's a /30. I think I made a mistake on router 1 because it's supposed to be 2. I said 252/0. No, it has to be 252. So that's a /30. These all fire 25 on and 25 on and 25 on, because this one is on, this link, this is on, this digit is on, this digit is on, and this one is on. But this one we used 252/30. So we will be learning subnets, but that's how it is configured. All right, cool. And now we still need to interface loopback 0 on loopback 0 on R2, and then IP address 2.2.2.2, then 255. You're going to /30 255.255 because it's all on. Okay, now we've done the topology according. It says configure all the summary. Okay, and then we configure it. Use the correct show command is okay. So we configure it. So the summary of all IP address, what we're gonna do, and I start with R1. You say like show IP interface brief. Show IP interface brief. Show IP interface brief. Exclude. Okay. Show IP interface brief. Okay, so now it is excluding control. I cannot have it excluding here, so just IP. So then now we got now we've got serial 0/0, which is up, and then we have loopback 111 is up. So if you go to R2, show IP interface, the read, we have serial 0 and up, manually up, and line protocol up, which is right here. Line protocol. Let me make it up into as well. Line protocol, yeah, that's our line protocol. You're gonna protocol, line protocol up, and administratively up. Okay, if we pick it now, 192.168.1.1.2 is gonna bring itself, and 1 has to bring as well. If they show, if you configure show R, that's what I'm looking for. It doesn't use show IP R. Okay. Yeah, okay. It's a nice switch, I'm sorry. So yeah, that's how it is. And if we go to R2, it's the same. So this is that if we want to know more about the interface itself, we will go to be show. We will configure show interface serial 6/0. It will give us a lot of information. What is the MTU, maximum transmission unit? which is 100. That is how many bucket a bucket size. That is 1,500 bytes in a bucket size, and then the IP address is configured, and then the slash is 30. Underlying protocol is up, and everything is there. So, guys, we are done now, and thank you for listening.